Gilfoot. I'm at Cal Christian School in the 3rd grade. And I will be reciting for you today. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I'm fair. It's clear. Oh, dear. You better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along. Bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jousting head over tail, tumbling and bumbling. Your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. No, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. Last time you sneezed, you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and sway, and some was sliding so far away, we didn't get back until the next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. Last time you sneezed, even a cough would not some of us off, but a sneeze. Oh, please don't sneeze. Beware, beware, called the monkey to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please, not a sneeze, said the bear. That's not fair, I declare. Last time I sneezed, it blew off all my hair. That's so fair. I spent the whole winter in long underwear. That's so bad and fair. And the poor giraffe, they all don't laugh. Almost bit in half. And the alligator snout turned inside out. Last time I sneezed, a stamp for a stump is bad enough, but I sneeze. Oh, please don't sneeze. The zebra yelled, yucks, you blew up all my straps. Plus lots and lots of the leopard spots, and all the snakes blew each other bad nuts. Ain't nobody got time for that. The hippopotamus said, and a lot of us will flow right on our bottoms. Oh, please don't sneeze. I'm sorry, my friends, said the elephant sadly. About all this, I do feel badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I'd do it gladly. But I have such a twitch in my trunk, plus a bit of tickle, and even a prickle. You must run, fly, hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. Boo! Shouted a little gray mouse jumping out of his house. He stood up on his little tiptoes, stuck his tongue, and wiggled his nose. Hey! Shouted the elephant. There's a mouse! There's a mouse sitting there! I must hide in the tree before it gets me, or jump in the lake. For goodness sake, don't scare me, please spare me. The mouse left a poo. Now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you? I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked. As you're sure standing there, elephant, think about it. You completely forgot to sneeze. Well, what do you know? Laughed the elephant. That's so. It's astounding, confounding. As I live and breathe, I don't think I really have to sneeze. He began to giggle. Hee. That's the funniest thing that ever happened to me. Ha. The elephant shook from his head to his toes. He ho-hoed, he ha-ha'd, he giggled and guffawed, he chortled and chuckled until his knees buckled. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkey came tumbling out of the trees. The stings fell off every one of the bees. The bird feathers went flying to goodness knows where. All the hair fell off the bear. The giraffe bit in half. The alligator snout turned inside out. The zebra yelled, yes, there goes my straps. Monkey went thump right on his plump. You know what? And into a